Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the spiked sedge stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet spike stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I will also list the regular sedge stitch down below for you to check out. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then make a half double crochet into that same chain as the single you just made. And make a double crochet in that same chain all together. Skip 2 chains and you're going to repeat this. Into the next one, make a single crochet, half double crochet with that single, and double crochet with both of them, all in that chain together. Skip 2 chains. Into the next one, make that single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet, all in that same chain. Skip 2 chains. Into the next one, make that single crochet, half double, and double crochet all together in that chain. And you're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Skip the first 2 stitches of your row. Into this next one, you can see it's a previous single crochet. You're going to be working into that stitch. You're going to make a single crochet, a half double crochet into that same stitch with that single crochet you just made. We're now going to make our double crochet spike or our long double crochet. So we're not going to be working into this stitch right here. We're going to be working into this space right underneath it. So you can see not this one, but this one. And you're going to make that double crochet into that space. So that's going to be that double crochet spike. Skip 2 stitches, working into this next single crochet stitch, make a single crochet, and make a half double crochet in that same stitch. You're now ready to make your double crochet spike, working into this space or stitch right underneath it. That's how that is looking. Skip 2, working into this next stitch, make a single crochet, half double crochet, and then double crochet spike into this little space or stitch underneath it. Skip 2, into the next stitch, make a single crochet, half double crochet, and you're going to make a double crochet spike into this stitch or space underneath the stitch you're working. Skip 2, into the next stitch, make a single crochet, half double crochet. You're now ready to make that double crochet spike, working into this space right here underneath that stitch that you were working in. Skip 2, single crochet into the next one, half double crochet next to that single, and then double crochet spike into that space underneath the stitch you're working. Skip 2, single crochet into that next stitch, half double crochet into that next stitch, double crochet spike into this space down here underneath that stitch you're working into. When you get to the end of your row, skip these 2 stitches. Right here is going to be a chain space, and that's where you're going to make your single crochet to complete your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the spiked sedge stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.